I can do, sir, please. Don't do this to my wife, man. You don't know what you're doing to my family, man. Please. I'm begging you. I'm literally where am I going to put my feet? Sir, I'm begging you, please. Please. Please.
That is not a crime, and you're telling me to get out of my vehicle.
Do you know where Lieutenant Mingus is right now? So no, he's not in the building?
I don't know. I'm not.
What do you know? I'm not telling you nothing else until I find out who's driving that vehicle. You not a supervisor, bro. I need somebody higher than you right now.
If you didn't know, I went to the police academy and they kicked me out.
That's my purse! I don't know you!
Spit me on my face right now. She spit in my face.
Today's video takes us to Rhode Island, where we find the Long Island Frauditor as he attempts to hold government transparent, whatever that means. Well, today's not such a good day because he's told he has to leave or he will be detained. They didn't say he'd be arrested. They said he'd be detained. And he said that's the same thing as arrest. Well, they argue semantics, but eventually Sean leaves the building. So, let's all sit back, watch, have a good laugh, and most of all, enjoy.
Today, we're at the J. Howard McGrath Judicial Complex here in Wakefield, Rhode Island.
A few minutes later.
Over here. Hi, how are you? Excuse me?
I said, can I help you?
Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't hear you because of the glass. No, I don't need any help, thank you.
Okay.
I appreciate it. Who are you?
I'm the supervisor. Who are you?
Supervisor? My name is Sean.
Okay. Are you here with someone, Sean?
Am I here with someone?
Yes.
No, I'm here by myself.
Okay. Are you here to see someone?
Oh, I thought you said am I here with someone?
No. Are you reporting to probation?
Am I reporting to probation? No.
Okay.
Are you a probation officer?
This is the probation office.
Okay. Are you a
Okay.
probation officer?
No, I'm the supervisor.
I often wonder why so many frauditors want to audit the adult probation section. Yeah, why do they go there? Oh, because maybe one day they'll be on probation, or maybe they have been on probation and they miss being on probation. Yeah, I don't know. What's the story on all that?
Okay. Of probation?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Are you recording, sir?
Yeah.
You need to
Taking
stop
some pictures and
recording.
video.
No. No, not allowed.
Not allowed?
No,
Why is that?
not allowed.
But why is that? What's your name? It's not very nice. What was her name? Supervisor of probation. Pictures are not allowed. Why would that be? Hey, how are you?
No filming in here. Not in the courthouse.
No filming?
No.
Well, why would that be?
Well, Sean, it's a judge's order. But you don't care anything about that because that's unconstitutional, right, Sean? Well, we'll find out shortly, won't we, Sean?
Come to the courthouse.
May I get your name and badge number, sir?
I mean, 44. That's all you need.
44?
Yeah.
And your name?
Brian Daly.
Brian Daly. And
Yep.
your name and
Yep.
badge number, sir?
Raymond Clark.
Yeah.
Raymond Clark. And badge number?
Right there.
Right there. Okay. 91.
Yeah. So you're here for probation?
Oh, I'm working on a story here, so I was talking to probation.
Who are you working for?
I work for myself. I'm an independent journalist.
Nice. Okay, you all done?
No, not yet. Not yet. Not done yet. And you work for what department, sir? I can't see. I'm sorry. What department is that, sir?
Sheriff.
Rhode Island Sheriff. And you, sir?
Capitol Police.
Capitol Police. Okay.
Okay.
Well, at least Sean didn't say he couldn't read. He just said he couldn't see. Yeah, because most of the frauditors can't read. Can you read, Sean? You just can't see. Maybe take those dark glasses off, baby boy.
Mike, same thing as Superior. No videotaping, right?
No, you can't videotape in the courthouse.
Yeah. Okay.
Why would that be?
That's the policy.
Is that a law?
That's the policy here.
But is that a law?
That's the policy from the judge.
But is it a law? That's what I'm asking if it's a law. I comply with all laws. I just...
All right,
We'll get the boss here. They can.
Sure, yeah. Yeah, I'd like to speak to a supervisor. That'd be great.
It's on the bench and wait.
So the supervisor must have called the sheriff here. It would be nice to know her name so we can hold her accountable, but I don't think she wants that at all. She doesn't want the accountability.
Well, good people, we all know Sean really well, and we know he's not going to leave the building till he finds out this woman's name, which is what he's going to do for about the next 8 minutes. But let's skip ahead. We don't need to see all that. Let's find out when Sean has to leave the building, because that's the best part.
Eventually.
So I just talked to my sergeant, just letting me know that per order of the Superior Court judge, there's no recording in the building. Okay, if you've already been warned a couple times to stop, so you are recording.
Can I get your name and badge number?
Officer Anderson, 22.
Yeah. No, but no one showed. Can I see the order? I mean, I think.
Here, we have this right here. It's only for media that's in the courtroom.
I'm not in a courtroom though.
Yeah, I know, but
I
you're
don't
not
plan
allowed
on
to. You're not
going in the
allowed to out
courtroom.
here as well. So I talked to my sergeant. He wants to let me know that we've warned you a couple times. If you continue to record, we're going to detain you. Listen to me. We're going to detain you, put you in a cell block until a judge can talk to you about recording in here. Okay?
So that's what you're gonna do if I don't stop recording?
If you don't stop recording, you don't leave. We're telling you that you cannot. We will detain you. You'll be put downstairs in the cell block until a judge later on this afternoon can see you.
Now, what do you think, good people? That seems fairly clear to me. You're going to be detained, put downstairs until the judge can see you later today. What do you think? Well, Sean's not going to take no for an answer. You know that.
Okay, but can we just talk? Can we talk outside then? Because I don't want my freedom taken from me. I don't want to be detained. So can I talk to you outside? Because this doesn't say anything about it.
Oh, I'm just telling
about
you,
the courthouse.
you can go outside. I don't want to go outside with you.
Yeah, but why wouldn't you want? You don't want to get
I'm
further
letting you know that you
clarification?
cannot, inside this building, that you cannot. Okay, if you continue to, I will detain you and put you downstairs in the cell block, and then the judge from district court will see you later on this afternoon regarding that.
Okay, before I leave, can I get your name and badge number?
I just did. Anderson, 22.
Oh, sorry about that. I missed it.
Okay, thank you.
Can I take that paper with me? I'd like to look at it. 91. So under threat of arrest, I'm leaving the building. Under threat of arrest.
Sean, have you lost your mind? Nobody said anything about arresting. They said they're going to put you downstairs in a holding cell and detain you until the judge can see you. You just want to go ahead and make this your own narrative. You got your own agenda, don't you, Sean?
I didn't say arrest. I said detain.
Detained is the same thing as an arrest. Detained is the same thing as an arrest. It's you taking your freedom away from me. You swore an oath to uphold the United States Constitution, and you're not doing it. You're a tyrant. Ridiculous, ladies and gentlemen. So we do not want to be detained, arrested. It's the same thing. Arrested, detained. You're losing your freedom, and we're not. I've lost my freedom way too many times. There's other ways to go about it in a federal courthouse. So this is not signed by a judge. It's too windy for you to see it. But this is not signed by a judge. There's no statute.
Well, what do you think about that, folks? The judge didn't sign the order. There's no statute backing it up. It sounds like another lawsuit to me. All he has to do is go on GoFundMe and start another account so his donations will flow in. What do you think? Yeah, it's really ridiculous, man. I don't understand why people want to just throw their money away at absolutely nothing. There's hungry people in the world, man. Donate to them, right? At any rate, if you enjoy watching stupid people do stupid things on my channel, please subscribe. As always, thanks so much for stopping by there, Sean. You think you'll ever get a real job again? Probably not. Cheers to that.
I've actually studied English, and I have over a 400 level education in English. I'm not sitting down. I refuse to sit down. I refuse. Big tough guy. Big tough guy. Big tough guy. What are you gonna do about it? Nothing. Nothing. You can come try to make me. You're welcome to try to make me. Take a swing. Take a swing.
What is the reason for calling the officers here?
No reason. I'm really unhappy that somebody did this to me.
I'm going to arrest you for trespassing in a minute.
On public property?
Yeah, we're asking you to leave and you're not leaving. That's trespassing.
She's right in my face, guys. You can't come up and touch me like that.
You don't have permission to film me in any space.
I don't need permission to record you in public, man. No, that's the law.
Oh, is that like a law?
Against the law.
Oh, what law is that? Funny, because I've never heard about that. I pay for that uniform, I pay for that car, I'm the taxpayer, right? You work for me, right? You're just a little guy. You're just a little guy. You work for me. You are a public servant. You are a public servant. You work for me.